Hi guys, as you all know, I'm a big advocate for small YouTubers and small content creators on here to get monetized. And today I'm bringing good news to all of you guys. YouTube released a new monetization policy. Like, when I saw this, I screamed, and my husband was like, I thought you were monetized. I'm like, no, I am screaming for my small YouTubers out there. So they just brought out a new monetization policy, and God bless YouTube. Guys, this is no longer difficult. Like, a lot of small YouTubers out there can get monetized now, like at this moment. So I want you to watch till the end, because they are very, very important things, because a lot of people don't read through the lines or in between the lines. But I am here because I have read it all, and I'm here to give you the good news. So don't be dismayed. I know during my time, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, it's a lot. I'm not going to dispute that. I'm going to be putting it all on the screen so you see it for yourself and you work towards that, because this is a way for you to make money in 2025. We are not doing what we did this year. Like, it's just remaining one day to the end of the year. But in 2025, we are making money. So you can see, yes, you can get monetized on YouTube with 500 subscribers. It is written, not from me, guys. But you must also meet other requirements. Are you listening? Like, because I know people are going to see this and are going to do few things and ignore some other things, but you have to do everything that is required of you. The first thing is uploads. You must have at least 3 videos published in the last 90 days, which is, I think it's quite good enough. 90 days is 3 months. So you have to have at least 3 videos, means 1 video a month. And if you're going with what I have been saying in my other videos, you need to be uploading consistently, and you should have more than that 3 videos. So I don't think this should be an issue for anybody. The next one is watch hours. You must have at least 3,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So did you see, guys, that it reduced? So it is no longer 4,000 watch hours. Now what is required of you is 3,000 watch hours. That is why I tell you guys, you need to subscribe to my channel. You need to watch my videos, because this information are very, very vital. Are very vital, and you won't hear it from any other channel, but you will hear it from here. So during my time, I needed 4,000 watch hours. I know most of my friends needed 4,000 watch hours, but now you only need 3,000 watch hours. The next one is adhere to policies. You must follow YouTube's community guidelines and term of service. That is another policy, community guideline, which I think most small YouTubers adhere to. I am going to testify to that. So you need to continue obeying their guidelines and their terms of service. The next one is location, very important. I know someone that is in a country. I'm not going to talk about it because, of course, I know people in the country are going to watch this and they're going to feel bad. But there are some countries that are not eligible for this new monetization policy. And that is sad. That is sad, guys. But you can check for your country. If you want me to do a video on that, please let me know. I will. So you can check if your country is, so it says you must reside in a country where the YouTube partner program is available. So location is very important as well. Then AdSense accounts. You must have a linked AdSense account to receive your earnings, which is very important, because when you do videos and want to get paid, you must have an access account to get paid. I have one. I think every YouTuber who is monetized have an access account, so you must have one. And I don't think that is so difficult, honestly. It didn't take me so much, so that is easy. Now, getting to the interesting part. It says meeting this requirement unlocks, I want you to listen closely, how you're going to get monetized, how you will make money like before the month of June 2025, you're going to make a lot of money. It says, meeting these requirements, the requirements I talked about earlier, uploads, watch hours, adherence to policies, location, and access accounts. Meeting these requirements unlocks fan funding tools. I want you to listen to that. Fan funding tools like channel membership. Wow. Hey, God. This is so good. You guys don't know how lucky you are. Now, channel membership give people a lot of money, believe you me. So with 500 subscribers, you are qualified, or you are eligible for channel membership. Channel membership is when your fans or your subscribers subscribe to your membership. So your membership, you have an amount for it. There are 4 levels, I think. So you can charge like each level. So if you have bronze, gold, diamond, platinum, so your bronze membership might be $10, your platinum might be $15, your gold might be $30, your diamond might be $50 per month. And imagine if you have 10 people on that plan, you're going to make a lot of money in 2025. So that is number 1, channel membership. So I want you to grab this opportunity, guys. Don't sleep on it. The next one is super chats. Yes, like, oh my God. I have actually made money from super chats, and there are more which I'm going to talk about from super chats. Like, this is when your fan and subscriber want to chat with you, but there is like it gives them an advantage, and most people love it. They prefer it to the normal comment section. So super chats can make you money. I mean, huge amount of money. When your fan and your subscriber sees that you have a lot to give, they're going to subscribe to that. The next one is super thanks. Yes, if you are a YouTuber and you love going on live, I'm saying it again, if you love going on live, that is very important. I want you to have super thanks activated, because people are going to send you super thanks, and super thanks come in form of money. It's going to be given to you as money. So some people can send at as high as $100, $50, $10. All this, if you imagine going on live twice a week and you're getting super thanks from your subscribers or your fans, that is a lot of money, guys. The next one is super stickers. The same thing. It comes from your loyal fan and subscribers, and it can get you a lot of money. And the last one is YouTube shopping. I think this is the one. YouTube shopping is just the best, where you can link things, people can buy, you get commission. Guys, I want you to take advantage. If you have 500 subscribers now and 3,000 watch hour, please go and activate your monetization and start earning money on YouTube, guys. I want you to do that. And furthermore, it says to earn money from ads on your video. So when you upload your video and you want ads to play on your video and you earn money, you must meet the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. But they have brought out 6 channels for you to make money with 500 subscribers and 1,000 watch hour, which I think is very, very, very great. So please take advantage of this. If you want me to make another video or more videos about this opportunity, let me know and I'm going to do it. Thank you. See you at the top. And in 2025, you are making so much money. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave your comment, share the video to your family and your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.